Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this camping chair. Yes, this is a camping chair, all folded up and compact. It comes with an instruction manual on how to use it, but I'm going to show you how to do that. It just comes in this nice case, and you pull this out, which would be great for any sort of traveling. You're going on an airplane to, say, go to a soccer game or football or whatever else, and you want to have an extra chair. It's got this little mechanism right there that holds it all together, and then it just springs open. And step one is just to take these little bottom parts, lock them into place. So now that is good. And then you go through and you pull out each one of these legs and lock all of those into place. Then, got yourself a camping chair. It's got a nice little phone holder over here. You got your carrying area over here. If you want to put a drink over there, you can. But then, you've got this nice area that you can sit in. It's super compact. Like I said, it holds a lot of weight. You can wash this off. It's weatherproof, so you can actually leave it out in the water and it will just kind of stain that right off. But this is a really nice, comfortable chair. It's kind of like a little pod to be able to sit in. It would be great to be able to take on the plane with you, to go camping, anything like that. Whenever you're done, all you've got to do is undo each one of these things that you've just put up, and it just folds right back into place. And then there's this little knob right here at the bottom you pull out on, and then it releases this up. Fold it in, and we strap it on here. And now you are ready for another time to go camping.